Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the Docker Compose. What is Docker Compose? Docker Compose is a tool for defining and managing multi-container Docker application. It allows you to define set of related service in a single configuration file. That is Docker Compose ML. In the naming convention of the Docker Compose file, docker-compose.yml. That is the naming convention for the Docker Compose YAML file. And it will be very easy to build, run, and orchestrate complex applications with multiple containers. Now we are going for demo on the Docker Compose. I am going to connect with my EC2 instance. Now I have connected with my EC2 instance. I am going to install the Docker Compose. I am checking the documentation to install the Docker Compose. Here this is the command to install the Docker Compose. Just now it is downloaded. Next we need to give the permission. Here I am going to giving the permission for execute for the Docker Compose. Now we will check the version of the Docker Compose. We have 1.29.2, that is the Docker Compose version. Earlier we discussed about the Docker Compose. That means in the Docker Compose YAML file, we are going to create two applications. That means it will allows you define set of related service in a single configuration file. In here, we are going to work with one is WordPress and another one is database. First, I will create one directory mkdir. I'm going to do with tilde/WordPress. Here, just now I have created the WordPress directory. I'm going to go with WordPress. Now here I'm going to create the Docker Compose YAML file. docker-compose.yml. This is the file here I have created. Inside the file, I am going to insert the information. I will explain this information. Here I am using the 3.3 version. Here services, I am using WordPress and database. Depends on database. First DB will be start. After that WordPress will be start. Here this is the volume of the WordPress. Here this is the local port access and this is the host. Restart always. Once container is not working, then automatically it will be restarted. So we have given the restart always policy. Here 3306, that is the DB protocol. Remaining we are giving default. Coming to DB, we are using MySQL image 5.7 version. Volume, this is the DB volume. Here also we have given always restart once the container is not started. These are the default username and passwords we have given in the docker-compose.yml file. Coming to volumes, this is the WordPress volume, this is the DB data. I'm going to save the file. Now I'm going to run the Docker Compose YAML file. In the Docker file, we should use docker run command. Here we can use docker compose up-d. This is the command to run the Docker Compose YAML file. Now it's building the YAML file. Now DB is created and WordPress is created. Now we will check the Docker volume ls. Here we can see one is for WordPress DB and one is for the WordPress. These are the volumes here we have created. We will check the containers. Docker yes. Here we have the containers. It is running. You can see one is for WordPress, one is for MySQL, and we have given the container 80 is the port and 80 is for the host. We will check in the protocol in the browser. This is the IP address. Just now I have copied. I am giving the 80 port. See here, it is the WordPress application. Here I am going to click on continue. Here this is the WordPress. Just now we have deployed a WordPress. In the docker-compose.yml file, I have given database and WordPress. Just now containers are running and we can able to access in the browser as well. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.